Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to another new vlog. Today we are diving into one of the Langkawi's must-do experiences, the Langkawi Island Day Tour. From stunning beaches to crystal clear lakes, this adventure will take you to some of the island's most iconic spots. So without a further ado, let's get started. I started my day with a quick breakfast at a local spot just across my hotel and then made my way to the meeting point near Dayang beach. I booked this day trip in advance last night. After gathering with the group, we hopped into a minivan and headed straight for the beach to begin our island adventure. As we boarded the speedboat, the energy was high. They even took photos of us before boarding, offering them as a souvenir later. With the sun shining brightly, the boat sped through the waves, and the feeling of the wind and the spray of the water was so refreshing. The scenery was absolutely stunning, and we couldn't resist capturing it all on camera. Our first stop was the iconic pregnant Maiden Island. The mountain resembles here a pregnant woman lying down, and the locals shared some fascinating legends about this place. After some time, we arrived at the pier, ready to explore the famous Langkawi Freshwater Lake. Walking across the scenic bridge, the lush surroundings were breathtaking. Upon arriving at the beautiful destination, we were greeted with the array of refreshing welcome drinks, each one bursting with the tropical flavors. The entry fee to the lake was 5 ringgit, and the moment I laid my eyes on the lake, it felt like I would step into paradise. The crystal clear water, the green mountains. It was the perfect spot to relax and take it all in. I couldn't resist getting into the water, so I grabbed a life jacket and floated on the serene lake. The cool, refreshing water and the peaceful vibe were beyond words. For about an hour, our group sang and laughed, enjoying every moment in this little slice of heaven. As noon approached, we returned to the boat, feeling both excited and tired. Our damp clothes reminded us of the fun moments we had together. Next up was something truly special, the eagle feeding session. The boat crew tossed chicken skin into the water, And in second, the eagle swooped down, snatching the food with incredible speed and precision. Watching this magnificent bird in action was just mesmerizing. Our last stop was the stunning Beras Basah island. As soon as we arrived, I was blown away by the clear blue waters and the soft white sand. This place has to be one of the most beautiful I have seen. While there were some activities like parasailing, I chose to relax and enjoy the views. Peace and beauty here were unbeatable. After some amazing time on the beach, we returned to the pier. They even offered a printed souvenir photo of me on a melamine plate for RM15, but I decided to pass on that. We then hopped onto the minivan and headed back to the Chennai beach around 2 p.m. It was a half day packed with fun and unforgettable memories. And that wraps my incredible Langkawi island tour. But the adventure doesn't end here. Later that day, I rented a scooter and explored the stunning road and hidden gem of Langkawi. If you are excited to see more, don't forget to catch my upcoming vlog where I take you on a motorbike adventure around this beautiful island. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next adventure.